Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at finding the tempo of an imported recording. In this case it's drums, but it could be a recording of a whole band, or it could be a sample of another record. Whatever it is, being able to find the tempo is really important. Now there's lots of automated ways to do this, but we're going to do it the old-fashioned way. So the first thing we're going to do is have a quick listen to our drums and try and chop it into a single 8-bar loop, and that will be our starting point. Let's have a quick listen. Okay, that sounds pretty good. So I'm going to zoom in and we're going to try and cut an 8-bar loop that plays beautifully. So let's find one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, so it looks like this kick here is our first 1. 1, 2, 3. So if I grab our audio, zoom in and make a little cut, I can actually get rid of the audio before. We can return that later. Now let's get a cut on the other end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So this seems to be the 9. So let's check that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So let's cut it there because we want an 8-bar loop, not a 9-bar loop. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Now what we want to do is we want to line this up to a meaningful bar line. So here is bar 7. I'm going to return the playhead to the beginning of our cycle with 0. I'm going to select my audio and hit the colon to make it go to the beginning of the playhead. Then temporarily I'm going to mute our audio, and what I want to do is make a cycle in Logic which is also 8 beats. Let's turn on our click. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. So you can see that our audio recording is much shorter than the cycle in Logic, and that's because the tempo of Logic is not the same as that in the audio. So let's just grab our tempo number and drag until the two match. Now it looks like we're shifting the audio, but actually the audio is remaining unchanged and Logic is changing. Now if we unmute our audio, hopefully the two synchronize. And we have a perfect loop. But let's go back a step. There is a way to get Logic to do that for us. Okay, now we have an 8-bar loop of audio and we have an 8-bar cycle in Logic. So we can ask Logic to do it for us. Edit, tempo, adjust tempo using region, length and locators. Select that. And it's asking us, do we want to create a temporary tempo change or do we want to change the entire project? Well, let's change the entire project. So let's go globally. And you can see it's done exactly what we did manually. Let's check it. Perfect. And actually, if we look up here at our tempo, it's a bit more accurate than our manual attempt. It's telling me it's 152.0733. And now we're happy that they synchronize. I can drag the remaining audio out, retrieve what we had, and just check they're okay. Let's give it a go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All sounds good to me. Hope that was helpful.